Today we're going to talk about the SmithTi Inboard Hub Safety Spacer. This is designed to keep your hub from moving on the axle and getting into the side of the brake caliper. Now, why is that a problem nowadays with a clamping style hub? We've linked it to the seal that's put on the axles after anodizing, or even the seal that's put on our inboard brake hubs after anodizing. If it's as slippery, it causes a problem. And with inertia of a left-hand turn and banging the cushion, it can take the inertia of that rotor and hub and actually start to work it inward into the center of the rear. So we've developed a adjustable safety spacer. It's very easy to adjust the width. It's all done, it's threaded. This particular blue one has an internal spline to lock it in. It's as simple as sliding it on and mocking up slide your brake rotor on in your hub and center your caliper. If it needs to be adjusted, we want the rotor exactly in the center of the parting line here on this caliper. If it needs to be adjusted, you simply slide your brake caliper back off, slide your hub on your axle out here, lift this up, turn just the outer half if you want it lengthened or shortened. And when you slide it back on, it locks. So it can unwind. It's a safety spacer. Now, if your axle's not splined here at the bearing, like this axle, if this has been made solid, you're going to have to use our black one, which is a smooth bore. This one does not have the internal splines, so it will slide over a solid surface. Unfortunately, with this spacer, it has to be adjusted just like the blue one, the same way, but it also needs to have red Loctite applied to these threads. You'll have plenty of time after putting the Loctite on to set your rotor to the center of the caliper. To find out more about our inboard hub safety spacer, visit SmithTi.com. Thanks for watching SmithTi Tech Talk.